So let us look at the political factors, the factors which drives globalization and which are political in nature. Now let us look at the post-World War II as well as post-World War I. US influence was very high in the world, and that made a lot of difference because the political ideology of free trade and free market, which was adopted by US, which is a democratic ideology, it had made a major influence in the process of globalization, because the political ideology which is for capitalism, for free markets, for free trade, democratic values, it influenced a lot in the process of globalization. So due to this ideology of US, which was with the democratic values, there was a lot of expansion, global expansion of these values. So many of the countries, adopted the capitalist model, free market model espoused by US, and there was a kind of general opposition which was visible in the world. In fact, right now, at present, if you look at the present situation of the globalization, you will see that there is a general opposition of religious governance. So in present day, we live in a world where there is a general opposition of religious governance, so-called theocracy. And at the same time, the communist ideas are reducing. In past few decades, we have seen that there is an increasing opposition to communist ideas or to dictatorship. We already know what happened in some of the countries in Middle East, which were dictatorship. And there is a general opposition in the world today to the ideology of communism and dictatorship. And there is a increasing political acceptance also of the capitalist model of governance. So more and more countries are adapting to the capitalist model, and we are at a situation in this capitalist model that we cannot go back. So once we have adopted this capitalist model, there is no way back. So more and more countries are going towards capitalistic model of governance of their countries for the economic growth of their countries. And the popularity of many economic ideas which are emerging from the capitalist ideas, for example, the idea of golden straitjacket, the idea which was floated by Thomas Friedman, which talks about the lean governance with low taxes and free policies, free market policies. And he said that if the countries adopt this kind of policies, economic policies, so they are going to grow faster than their other competitors. So that is called, popularly known as the golden straitjacket idea. And we are also seeing in the present world that there is a kind of political patronage by rich countries for the countries which has the ideologies which are similar to them. And as we already know that still the richest country in the world are US, the Western Europe and Japan, the countries in these regions. And they are the rich countries, and they are all democratic countries. So there is a political patronage or political acceptance of the other countries with the like-minded ideology. So these are some of the factors which together has driven the process of globalization or the process of modern globalization.